Go ahead. Go ahead. Homing it? Yeah. Okay. Yep.
Tailstock or C-axis.
Yep. See it? Yep. C-axis homes. There you go. Yep.
Handle.
Hand wheel.
All those soft limits work. That's it.
All the soft limits are working. Yep.
That's it.
Okay. All right. Pick up the tailstock.
Kind of a manual thing.
Pull it forward.
And the pedal kicks it out.
Pedal. Release.
Jog mode probably.
Jog mode. Foot pedal. Nope.
Because the tailstock is going to drop it.
There we go. Perfect.
So it won't let you with it.
So there's
the tailstock.
So there, yeah, I see. I see what you mean. Hitting the foot pedal. Just until you drop the tailstock, it won't let you. All right.
And back.
Back again. All right.
Chuck clamp.
Chuck clamped. Okay. Clamp. Clamping. Okay.
Oh, let me get that tailstock over there.
Put it back.
Put it all the way in and just bring
That's
it
good.
forward a little bit.
Forward a bit.
A little bit.
Filters off. All right. Live tool.
Rotate it to it. Next one over. There it is. This one. There it is.
There we go.
Go around and DI and 33.
How fast is that? 1500.
Then we can run the C-axis. Or even that way. Jog mode.
Jog mode.
Rapid.
Rapid. Reverse. Reverse.
Main spindle.
Yes, main spindle. Let's hear the head.
Just switches automatically.
It's 500 RPM. Take it up. 1500 RPM. Take it up again.
3.
Sure. Hold on. 3,000 RPM. How fast does it go?
I have no idea. Find out.
Okay.
Or 6.
No, I won't go that fast. 3,500. 3,500?
Oh, maximum.
There's max. Alright, brake. That's okay. If you break it, then it's fine. Reset. There you go. Pretty standard. And transformer. It's 575 volt. Mist collector. Power connection for the mist collector here. Chip conveyor. Took off the door. Coolant pump working. Air supply. The door off. Our connectors for the pump. And again, our quick connect to the transformer can be bypassed.